everyone, my name is Danielle and guess what I have? Fabric mail. In my hands is the August solid subscription. So I'm gonna pop this open and see what we've got. I'm gonna get it open. Oh, I'm loving what I'm seeing so far. Ooh, look at these colors. Does this not just scream fall? Oh, it's beautiful. So it looks like what we have here is Liverpool. So if you're not familiar with Liverpool, it has a texture on one side. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's textured on one side and it's smooth on the other. And it looks like it has some good two-way stretch. So we've got Liverpool in this gorgeous rust color, very pretty, and also this beautiful teal. Look at that gorgeous color. So that is what we have in this month's solid subscription for August. Liverpool. What will I make?